Hello, let's talk about the structure of typical flower. Position of flower. Let's suppose this is a stem, and on the stem this is a leaf. If the flower is growing from axil of a leaf, such a flower is called as axillary flower. If a flower grows from the terminal position, see here, this is the terminal position, and if the flower grows from here, now that type of a flower is known as terminal flower. So based upon their position, the flower are of two types: axillary flower and terminal flower. Now let us talk about the bracteate flower. Suppose this is the pedicel, and this is the flower. If a bract is a tiny green color leaf-like structure. It either grows at the base of a pedicel or it grows on the pedicel. Such type of a flower which has a bract, it is called as a bracteate flower. If a flower is there but bract is absent, then it is called as bracteate flower. The pedicel is a stalk-like structure. And this is a flower. So flower having a pedicel is called as a pedicellate flower. And if there is a flower, suppose this is a flower, and it is growing without a pedicel, you can imagine this is a stem. This is all stem. Pedicel is absent. Now this is a stem, this was a pedicel, that is a flower, so pedicellate flower, but here the pedicel is absent. Such a flower is called as sessile flower. Flower has two types of floral whorls. We call them as essential and non-essential. Essential whorls means those which are used for sexual reproduction, and they are androecium and gynoecium. Androecium is a male reproductive organ. And gynoecium is a female reproductive organ. The main purpose of flower is to perform sexual reproduction. So flower is called as a modified shoot for sexual reproduction. Non-essential floral whorls are calyx and corolla. Right. Now let's talk about the different terms used in flower or to describe the flower. The first one is complete flower. A flower which have both the essential as well as non-essential floral whorls. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4. So complete flower is the one which have all the floral whorls. All 4 whorls are present. Incomplete flower. At least one whorl is absent. One of the 4 whorls is absent. Means all the 4 whorls are not present. One whorl is absent. It could be one from essential or it could be from non-essential. Third, perfect flower. Flower which has both the essential floral whorls. Androecium and gynoecium both are present. Now such type of flowers are also called as bisexual flowers. Or they are also called as hermaphrodites. Right? The fourth, imperfect flower, means one of the reproductive whorl is absent. It could be either androecium absent or it could be gynoecium which is absent. One of the reproductive whorl is absent. That means either androecium is absent or gynoecium is absent. That is either androecium is absent or gynoecium is absent. Fifth, unisexual flower. It means either the flower is staminate or pistillate. Staminate means androecium is present. Pistillate means gynoecium is present. Either flower is staminate or pistillate. So staminate means androecium is present, the flower has only male sex organ. Pistillate means the flower is having female sex organ. Monoecious plant. Monoecious plant. A plant which has male flowers as well as female plant having male and female flowers both. Seventh, the dioecious plant, it means a plant having either male flowers or female flowers. The last one is neuter. A flower, okay, a flower does not have we would say androecium as well as gynoecium. So these are the important terms that we have talked about related to a flower. In our next class, we are going to talk about insertion of floral works.